first place, Esther Smith, na nyese ono no friend Lady Prempeh. Debbie. Yenye ne saw baby ya. Esther Smith was management. This thing should have been dealt with what? Management level. Your flow wa ubisa specific questions. Eti na me see your managers omo bon. Managers now omo manage at admin omo bon mu nimhwe. Eti ya mama Esther Smith na only business bi ase obefre Lady Prempeh. I don't care any new idea business here. Sabe Esther Smith ade no ye no. Wa fan cheche ogini sika no koy. But check this. Ofra wo wie na wo you shouldn't even be insisting on rehearsal because a normal thing in ho said they should even tell you the day of what rehearsals. First rehearsals now masona. You have to call them and tell them say I have cancelled the show myself. I'm maso. I know for dress rehearsal. Now show now babe bono even equipment I want no me hu. Me check it sound. Me check it bibia na for dress rehearsal. Me pacho fashion show na. E nyom ne babe to. It is a rehearsal na maso. There shouldn't even be what a dress rehearsal. There be and also no Lady Prempeh o man me o ma bon. Sakyo mu nyina they don't know. Mama ko baba Xposed FM members. But also subscribe mama. Here the bibia tuma na won saka. And na me ka adwumto for ho asem. Na say ya mama Esther Smith obey show bi Ghana. Na show no or different regions. Na wo hwe do me ko na very good. At least gospel is riding again. That's how I see it. Me Christo nti bibia Christo som no manage ho. Na show na me feel say ko yie no sa anko yie. Ya mama Lady Prempeh be kan asem no o se ye invite no na emom ya ma na ntonyom me de nyam nam kan o no oka enti yankọ ne enkotie video no ne ba me kire ne enti am no problem with it yankomra.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you might be. My name is Lady Prempeh, and this is the very first time I'm doing something like this. But this needs to be addressed. Well, Masubu, my fans, Lady Prempeh, what happened? It's all about Esther Smith programmer, or Friday, Ichemi. So, this is what happened. And Crawford say, Mantunyum Namewoho, what really happened. So, 5 months back, and Esther Smith, me, said, obey a program. Ewo Ghana na obebi wo Kumase Accra and Takra de enti obehia me for all the 3 shows enti me ma oni management kasai enti asiye ne buy. So fast forward 3 weeks back and minyante from a management say yesi program no nipa ne doso enti yen choose one of the regions. And me choose Accra because na no beboa me. Enti afi na aka rehearsal enne ochna any ade. Manti omonka wo ho management try as on omo bema ye date o mama yen kopim se koba say on the day of the event, which is Friday no, yesi a dress rehearsal enti na was ye nyina ye jai de be ye no pano na ye call for the rehearsal. Inti me call dress rehearsal somewhere around 12 to 2 p.m. nyina na me wo Perez Dome ho. After me rehearsal no wie no na kasa ne nyemu no anopa be say anopa pa na one of the performers mean to me mboni din ewa ha. Jam voice note say, lady, at the program no baby one because almost send me advert be video advert be na uniso udi niso picture niso inti mana and me responded but I was like okay be one of those things na and it be omure feeding okay. Prior to that, so a week before, omone my manager ekasai. So that meant say I was part of it. And omasaka say membra dress rehearsal no. Inti me call dress rehearsal no wie. Ye de may be to get there. And I made back to my house, a baby dress in any medical event, you know. Meti event na say tiase. The only time I frame me no, I'm cool stage in the sono. Na ye tutu niema. I just say yapon program no. So I wasn't called to perform on the day. And this is exactly what happened on the day. So my fans, Mr. Momo Fancheme, and yes, Lady Prempeh, you didn't to program so one compare for me and BB. This is what happened. I was just not called to perform. That's what happened on the day. Until now, Menti Obianka, both from Esther Smith and the manager and the team, Menti she as I record this video. Thank you.
So I can video number. Or can't say me brave. Or see my friend or Esther Smith friend or you see, show business, art and business. It's in a friend show business. There's a show aspect which is the entertainment, and then there's a business aspect which brings in the money. But over the time, no, me who say Christian dom and our Christian musicians no, omonim the business aspect of the show. I yekakabombiya, I yenina Christopher and Tian Frefre on Yankobo. There be in the first place, Esther Smith. Na nyase ono no friend Lady Prempeh. There be. Yenye is how baby ya. Esther Smith was management. This thing should have been dealt with what? Management level. Your flow wa ubisa specific questions. Eti na me see your managers no omo bon. Managers now omo manage at phone omo bon mu nim hwe. First of all, your flower near catch say we want your artist for show. What goes into it? Ubisa no, what kind of show? Baby no. Preparation and all that. And what you need for your artist to represent. And only ya say manager no or agree with team. Aye. Number two, look at the financial aspect of it. The third one that people don't do, you will be a friend road manager. Munim ne purpose ma make chamane. Road manager no call event place no. E kwahwe say hotel na babedem is it first class, is it second class? Show no time men na mo artists no ebe so performing. This is all done by what? The management team. The artist only comes in to rehearse and sing. Eti young mami Esther Smith na only business be as obefre Lady Prempeh. I don't care any new idea a business here. Sabi Esther Smith ade no here no wa fan cheche oginisika no call. But check this. Ofre wo wie na wo you shouldn't even be insisting on rehearsal because a normal thing in ho said they should even tell you the day of what rehearsals. First rehearsals now masona you have to call them and tell them say I have cancelled the show myself. Because it means respect in your farm. You respect in your farm. It's a first show now masona rehearsal now masona cut it. Amaso I normal for dress rehearsal. Now show now baba bono even equipment I no me wuni. Men check it sound. Men check it bibia now for dress rehearsal. Me pacho fashion show na. Nyom ne baba to. It is a rehearsal that maswa. There shouldn't even be what a dress rehearsal. There be and also no Lady Prempeh o man me o ma bon sakyo mu nyina they don't know. The third one is uko o the emphasis say we nyina utwa boy. Uko no o catch us a time na o ba be to nyom no. And I can tell you should have what we call an itinerary. Itinerary need to artists on a bill. And wherever because you need to prepare backstage mentally and physically. Are you saying I'm itinerary who says you are ready to come and sing? It shows how ignorant our gospel musicians are. They don't know anything and they are not ready to learn. Yes. You didn't even know the itinerary. You didn't even know the time sheet. The people on show. You don't even know. And you are there. Expect said they will call you to come and sing. Whoa, what a damn thing. And now, yeah, mommy Esther Smith and so you didn't give dignity to your fellow musician. Yes. Because o dey for say mo management ne kwa na ya this is your fellow musicians asabe onye novice or you be a wato nwum na che even before you enti ne say ka man ni die na ka say oh me hu Lady Prempeh wa quickly ni yama ne meto ai basa ni die no so one fa ma no enti show ni na no it was a flop to me. It was a flop because arrangement of the show and no na ekọ na who say show no e show papa na nye show papa. Now when man can see no ye misa say identity na gospel musician kwa na ekọ fam no ekọ fam 2 reasons. Number 1, your gospel artists, they don't even research on music. They don't research on music. And you mean buy any eto. And you mean buy oh where they anointing a womb, anointing a womb. Ofo say do moy, sa no yan nyo. Why no phone sa? And you mean buy na 20 trends na sapa na your gospel artists normal jira. Me pacha o your artist next time your flower, don't even pick the call. Let your manager do the talking. My management no omuni madi amomra na menchira mo. Because me I've been in the showbiz for over 20 years. So when I talk, I know what I'm talking about. Your managers all bodo omuni she. Because omuni bibia ka same one kemba. And the last one is this. Lady Prempeh, was this even necessary to come and say this thing? She's your sister in the gospel fraternity. You could have discussed this back door, and then sorted out. Obviously, like I said, on the fans into the bear. Fans in Suhunya, but behind the scenes, no, things should have gone on. Oh, baby, do you can't no, my belly, like I said, due to 1 or 2 things. Now, you save image. Ni na ka brand and no, Munima Musia. I expose the HFM members, but you also subscribe, mommy. Now, you share BB when you be man, bye bye.